In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to do the nationality trend that has been popping off on TikTok. So now if you go to TikTok and you search nationality trend, you'll see basically individuals dressed in various culture clothing. So now this can be done with anyone. All you need is a high quality video or image of yourself. So what they use to do these trend is basically an application from the Google Play Store. It is called FacePlay. And what it does, it basically renders your face onto the face of basically anyone from different cultures or ethnicity, depending on which one you choose. So you need to go to the Google Play Store and search for FacePlay. Now bear in mind, this is not a free application. It is one which you'd have to pay for. However, you have a 3-day trial in which you could simply use to see what you look like in different nationalities. So let me launch FacePlay, and I'm going to give you a little rundown of what is to be expected within the application. So now when you are using this application, it would require a good internet connection because it's basically loading or preloading all the video clips and footages to which you might be able to swap your face on. So now when we first launched this application, as you can see, we are on the For You section. So this would recommend a few faces here in which you could render your own face to. So this is just something like the Reswap, an application which does almost the same thing. However, this one has more tabs or more options which you could choose from. So you could choose Christmas or you could choose ethnic. So this one I believe would give you different cultures. So we have Asian cultures and so on. So if you'd want to take part in this trend, this is the application which you'd use, FacePlay. So all you'd need to do is to simply sign in with your Google, your Facebook account or your Google account. And also you'd need to sign up for the trial version of this before you'd be able to use these video clips. So this is from Squid Game, so you could imprint your face on the characters from Squid Game. So it is pretty simple to do. All you need is the FacePlay application, and once you've clicked on the video footage, it will ask you to select an image of your own face, to which it will render the face to this video footage. So I hope everyone is in understanding, and that is how you go about doing the nationality trend on TikTok. So I hope this was able to assist you. If you want further clarification on how to sign up for the trial, let me know in the comments and I'll do a video on that. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a good time swapping faces. Hacker 007 out.